Hello viewers, earlier this week I shared that the Brave browser announced it will block Windows recall by default. Now another company has joined and the AdGuard. They have released AdGuard for Windows version 7.21 which adds extra protection against Windows tracking. In this new update, AdGuard has included any option to directly block Microsoft recall features. AdGuard mentioned that while recall is currently only available on the new Copilot Plus PCs, users should be prepared as these devices may become more common in the future. The new setting disable Windows recall, stop Windows from taking and analyzing screenshots of your desktop activity. For those unfamiliar, AdGuard is any ad and content blocker available for Mac OS, Windows, Android, iOS, and is a browser extension. AdGuard explained why they dislike recall. Microsoft Recall silently takes screenshot of your activities to help you revisit what apps you use or website you visited. However, this background screen capturing rising privacy concerns. It could take screenshot of private chat, online forms with credit card details, or any personal information without your consent. Microsoft claims recall is privacy friendly since it's off by default, require Windows Hello authentication, and stop encrypted screenshot locally. But AdGuard argues that fin can be cracked, filter can fail to hide sensitive data, and trusting Microsoft completely is not a reliable privacy approach. This is why AdGuard has added new settings to block Windows tracking, include disabling recall to stop Windows from capturing your screen activity. You can open AdGuard setting and enable tracking protection. The new recall blocking option will be active by default. It will be interesting to see which other companies follow the same path so far. Signal and Brave have taken steps against recall and now AdGuard has joined them. What do you think about this? Share your thoughts in the comment and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.